please check out our shirt on Teespring.
Hey folks, I'm opened a 1921 Bowman Chrome, I think. It has 282 per box. I think the Chrome, I don't know. I got the green one last time. Or a regular Bowman. I don't know, I couldn't keep track of the cards that came out. What do you got sent to? Let's see the first pack. Ooh. Oh, he's going to try to fight me. Got Darren Washington, here the back side of it, rookie year. I was one third baseman. Either it's regular Bowman. Nolan. Oh, Julio. He's having a great. He might be interesting player to watch. Aaron Judge. Good to have his collection. Woo, kind of shiny. Oh my God, it's gotta be a great player. I got a bunch of his cards. Chrome. Well, it's not numbered, but getting his cards always good. Again, check this out, back to back. That's pretty cool. We got Manny. Of course, his father was the pitcher, but Bobby back in the day, holding one. Daniel Hood. Next back. Oh, the A's. Oh. Trevor Bauer. Sorry about him. Over the Reds, Dodgers, Indians. Oh my. Maybe the Dodgers, but he didn't last. Covered. Oh, Chrome. Or Chrome one. That's cool. And Muppet. Those guy here and it. Well, Hall of Famer. Boys and girls. Kepler. Whoa, future, look at this beautiful thing. Future star. Future is. Future's bright. This guy. And then, I didn't sure he's still with them with the Giant Dodgers still. Didn't really see much of them. Yeah, I forgot to tell you. These are become 12 cards per pack. You guys have the odds in the back. Alright. Chapman, I have tons of this guy's cards. Looking. Well, that's cool. Yellow. That's cool. A little different. A little stylish. Chrome. Anderson. Gunnerhan. JJ. Rich. And let's say it's cheap. There's some videos that say it doesn't cheat. So a little history. Let's see. Ooh, Rookie of the Year feature. Look, really ticked off. A little story, backstory. Got our Chrome. Whoa, focus. Whoa, shiny Chrome. Look at that beautiful thing. Large. No, Jones. Used to be with the Padres now, I think. Good. Sorry, Kinsey, I drop a card. Ooh, look at this, AG pick. Bowman top 10. Open Athletics. Got Chrome. Nick Allen. Can make some chromes in here. Red and red. So yeah, that's it for the video. Let me know, like and subscribe. I'll do better next time. Thanks for watching.